Hello everybody, welcome to Dr. Peel. I am Peel and we make everybody feel better. Today we have Gloria Mokopololo. This is the update of the... We used to be on a radio station, now we have our own TV show. This is our first viewing of the TV show. So everyone welcome Mokopololo. Woo! Show the audience Mokopololo and the audience. Yay!
Hello, everybody.
We're gonna do a retake. What is that in your hand?
Oh,
What is that?
it must be rice. I was eating it.
No, this is Pocololo. We do not allow Pocololo in here. God damn it. Okay. We're doing the retake of the what happened? Your husband leave you or something? You told me that you couldn't find him that last time.
My husband, he left me. He said he gonna go buy some bagoong, but after 5 months, he never come back already.
And why didn't your husband come back to you?
I don't know. I think sometimes, I don't know. I make fresh cream for him every day. You see this? Oh, what is that?
It's the fucking mosquitoes.
Okay.
Mosquito asphalt. Okay. I'm kind of lopsided. I can see.
I just had one book job, you know. I could not afford the real doctor, so I just was doing myself.
I think that is why your husband leave you.
No, he like this one. He said, honey, mo better you big your boobies. And then he said, I go buy bagoong to put on your nipples to make love tonight. And then he never come back after.
He never come back. What did he said he went before he never come back home?
To me.
You said he went out. You said you sent him the grocery shopping. What the Walmart, the Kmart?
He went to the Filipino store.
Oh, the Filipino store. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. By the way, everybody, Longganisa at the Filipino store, half off.
Oh, I should go buy some today.
Yes.
Mm.
Panchi Canton, poor price today. Poor price.
So tell me, what should I do? Every day I make fresh cream, and then I don't know what to do.
Did you try another method of cream your husband?
Sometimes I only make butter, cream, but if I'm feeling lucky, I'll make, cream-filled malasadas. What you doing?
I don't worry, my mustache in the mouth. Okay, don't worry about me.
Okay.
About you.
I make fresh cream malasadas. I make fresh cream donuts. Did you know Krispy Kreme? They got it from me, you know.
Oh, what the famous? You know my son? I don't have a son. Oh. Are you wearing the Pacquiao shirt?
Everybody, please support Manny Pacquiao because he's the man.
Oh, the Ocho. You doing the Ocho?
Oh, yeah. This is the backside. Like this. Manny, look, Manny, I do this for you every day. It's okay.
Okay, sit down before I have to call the security.
Okay.
I see you too much Pocololo you do.
Okay, enough then.
Oh, by the way, everybody, look under your seat. You get Pocololo.
My boobs is kinda sometimes hard. Look, my titties is Manny's eyes. Are you going to help me or not?
Okay, what is your husband's name? Howard?
Federico.
Oh, Federico. Is he the Mexican?
Yeah, he is. I like the taco, that's why. Bean burrito, you know.
You like the burrito?
I like the...
Maybe that's why your parents, you stay with the Mexican?
I love the Mexican.
But does your parents approve? You know the parents...
My parents are dead.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I killed them.
Oh.
I had to. I would fight for my Mexican any day. Me and him, we drink Corona and we eat goat and tamale all day. Except the time when I sent him to get my bagoong. He never come back anymore.
Maybe he's still looking for a bagoong. Maybe he's still looking for
5 months already?
5 months. Did you ever show a picture to your husband how the bagoong look like?
I did not.
Maybe it's not left you. Probably still searching.
I'm sorry. I get some chicks coming out of my hair.
Maybe he's still looking for the bobo.
Mm.
I'm so sorry, you fucker. You closed the damn door. Damn it.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's my pet. His name is. His name is Calamansi. He lives in my hair sometimes. He keeps me company. Where is he? Calamansi?
I think what you need to do is you need to shave over here.
No, he said he liked this one.
You shave all down here?
I just where I got it from down here. I did down here and I blew up here.
Oh, okay. I see. What about the asshole? You shave the asshole? Oh, fuck.
Dr. Phil, are you okay? Oh, Dr. Phil.
Hold up. I lost the ring.
Oh, no.
This is there. I didn't see it.
Dr. Phil. I'm sorry, Calamansi just going some time came. Calamansi, come back home, you. May trouble to Dr. Phil. Okay, na. Sorry.
Okay, Ninam.
Sorry, sometimes
What the fuck was that? You know,
he
the
gets
last
lonely sometimes, that's why.
I put plenty words. I put the aswang. I put the biligot cut. You know,
Did you?
the bilikog ding.
Oh.
I put the manuk. What the fuck is that?
That's Calamansi. I told you he's my pet. I don't even know what he is. I just saw him pick him up and put in my hair, and now he lives in there.
Yeah. Okay.
There's something. There's something wrong.
Don't look at me.
You've been lying to us all along.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What's wrong with your mustache?
No, everything. Do you see a problem with the mustache? You know. Please, cameraman, go behind the yellow line. The purple line, I said. The purple line. Okay.
It's not even real. Oh my god. Hello, help me.
Your boob is not real.
Look at my body. This is not Dr. Peel. He just wants to peel my boobs.
This is fake. Look, everybody. This is very fake.
Oh no. Bastos. This is very real.
Don't make me go call my janitor. Wilsa, where are you?
Wilsa, ba to to?
Let me go get Wilsa.
I have something in my ears. Wilsa, how are you? Oh my god, I used to date him. He has the size of a tic tac. Tic tac, this one.
Oh, there you are, Wilsa. I want you to go clean the bathroom. And then, I want you to
You
go.
need to get him some glue for his mustache because it's coming up, you know.
You get me the orangutan glue?
Get him the gold bond, you know, for the teeth, but this for his, you have some pubic hair on the side of your lip. Is that for mine? Is that for mine?
That is all we have today, everybody. Thank you.
You never solved my problem with Buster. Where's my husband?
It's out in the audience.
Where?
I think we got you. No. Leave the camera. Is this your husband?
Federico! Hey, Federico, we're not here all your life. I looked for you 5 months now, you know. Oh, you're heavy, your feet. How come? Are you Federico? Oh, yeah, you're Federico. All right, look at this. Federico, you naughty, you. Put that back. You're sexy. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's
MC, I am Dr. Pierre. This is Wilsa.
Touch me.
And say it, my man. We make you feel better.
Oh, go underneath my shirt.
Tune in next time and then.
You like me, like suck my titty, like you hungry. Oh, you my baby.
Yeah. Aloha.